We're here at Saudi Tech, and here I have with me.
Amr Nasr.
Sohaib Mohammed.
Yes. Could you just introduce your company a little bit?
Yes, I am a program manager, engineering program manager at the Hewlett Packard company, and now I am based in Saudi Arabia at Al Fanar, setting up the production line to produce servers, local content in Saudi Arabia for the Saudi market.
And what motivated you guys to come and exhibit at Leap this year?
It's part of the vision of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia of increasing technological advancement by creating job opportunities for Saudi and also making and manufacturing product locally in Saudi Arabia for supply chain efficiency and also to increase the skills and engineering knowledge and technology transfer so that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia becomes a hub of technological advancement for the future. Mm-hmm. It's part of the 2030 vision of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and that's why we are here.
Mm-hmm. Well, would you? Yes.
Let me introduce our product for you. Okay. That is our product. That is DL360 server, and that is DL380 server. Okay. 100% assembly here in Saudi Arabia. That is Saudi Tech. That is the vision for 2030. All components must be manufactured here in Saudi Arabia. We have the first step, and we will continue.
Mm-hmm. And would you say you're confident in the Saudi market when it comes to tech?
Yes, it is amazing.
There is a huge market here because they are expanding the tourism sector. 27 million visitors have visited Saudi Arabia. The potential is huge to create further cities on the Red Sea. Saudi Arabia is the only country in the world that is building 5 new cities simultaneously. There isn't anything like this that's happening anywhere around the world. So they would require hospitality, and that requires technology. They are expanding different sectors like defense, architecture, every aspect in the industry, transportation. They are building links between cities. That requires IT infrastructure. It requires many services, and that is advancement of technology.
At HEP, we are a partner for Saudi Arabia as a country. We have all products like smart city solutions, like video analytics, like hyper convergent infrastructure. We have a lot of things we can introduce to Saudi Arabia and the people here.
Yeah, absolutely, that's so amazing to hear about. And lastly, what would you say you want to achieve by the end of this conference this year?
Well, we had quite a lot of attraction from government organizations, private sector that are really interested in the local content. And many of them want to integrate this in their solutions and then provide it and bid for different bids in the country, whether it's private sector, different industry like healthcare, transportation, logistics, and cities, connectivity, all these different areas. And there are partners, there are solution providers, system integrator. All those people would require the building block of an IT backbone. And the DL360, DL380 is the backbone of any IT infrastructure. And we are excited because they can project this product as built in Saudi Arabia and therefore by Saudi hands. And therefore it has a preferential on the list of preferred suppliers. So we hope HP will become a preferred supplier in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Last thing, we are here, we are HB, we are here, we are ready for any help.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much.
Yeah, nice to hear you.
Oh yeah, so my YouTube channel is for high school students. So like people like me, I'm wondering, do any of you have any like advice for high school students?
So I have been involved in training operators on the technology, on building this product here, and they are mainly Saudis. What I would say is technology changes so fast now. Even people who have degrees and advanced qualification, in 1 year or 2 years, they might be irrelevant. So what they need to do really, they always need to upgrade their skill set because tomorrow's industry could be completely different and require different skill sets than what is present today. And clearly we saw that from one of the ministers in Singapore recently, where the country have provided education assistant to anybody above 40 years old in order to get skills in artificial intelligence, because the impact of that particular sector is so huge and so quick that people cannot even grasp the speed that is being adopted in every sector of interest. So anybody who is doing studying, whether at university level or secondary school, they always need to look at what is coming up, what is happening in the future, how is the job profile is changing, what skills will be needed in the future, what kind of things they need to concentrate on, and therefore they can then capitalize on the opportunity in the future, because the traditional way of career progression is changing rapidly, and that's primarily because of the availability of data, the quality of the advanced edge devices that are available, the mobile phone, the speed of connectivity. All these are changing what is needed in the industry. And so what you are doing today could be irrelevant in 6 months' time. And the way to do it is just to be up to date and upgrade your skill and get certification and see what is the trend in the market. Attending places like this expand your opinion because you see the leading edge. So you can kind of calibrate your brain where everything is going. Because if you are an expert in cloud solution now, maybe in 3 years that would be something old-fashioned. Maybe it's completely different, especially in the energy sector, battery-powered devices, clean energy, all these things, cars, manufacturing, even manufacturing technology might change. Now, IoT, which is operational IT, is now getting integrated in information technology. That didn't happen before. Industry Standard 4. There's all these sectors that are emerging in the industry now, which really need to make the youngster aware of what they need to study and what basis they should have in order then to be participant in it.
Yes, absolutely. And you?
That's the thing. Up to date. Be ready for any future expansion and any technology on the future.
Absolutely, absolutely. And that's an interview. Thank you so much.
All right. You're welcome.